Hello guys, this is Rom Tips. Today I show you how to use DeepSeek R1. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Right, and the first, open your browser and write your search Google, or write this, or google.com, and write DeepSeek. Press enter. Okay, and this DeepSeek, and click on this. Open DeepSeek website and click on Start Now or Get DeepSeek app. Your mobile phone. Okay. DeepSeek R1 is now live and open source. Okay. And click on Start Now. Open new Windows and registration or login. Okay. Write number, phone or email address, and write password, or login with Google. Okay, click on login with Google, click on this and select your email address, continue. Alright, and open DeepSeek. How to use DeepSeek R1, and click on this. Okay, and write top 5 smart business ideas. Okay, slow. Okay. 5. Oh, okay. As you can see. Okay, and big text. Okay, and that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye.